Well, hello there, everybody. Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist, and I'm back with a Boulder City Bypass update. It's not that big of an update. It's just the fact that now coming up from like Searchlight on Highway 95 going north, you no longer have to stop at the golf course and hang a left and then try to merge with Highway 93. You now have your own little loop there right onto the bypass. Why the south lane isn't open yet, don't know. But the north one is open. Quick loop up, you're there. And then it's an easier merge. Again, it's an easier merge onto Highway 93 traffic and then right into Vegas. The big news is that final section, that final 10 or 11 mile stretch from Railroad Pass to the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge, that will be dedicated on August 9th. From whatever thing that I've read, it is going to be called the Interstate 11 Bypass Dedication. So, it's Interstate 11. Hopefully, that's also the day that they will open it right after the dedication there, take everything down, and just open it completely up. Again, this is like the that last piece before the finale, the grand finale, and everyone seems to be looking forward to that, especially those of us that have to travel in and out of Arizona for like us to go to the Grand Canyon. It's just going to save a whole lot of time there. So hopefully Boulder City is prepared for all this. I don't think they are, but too late. It's going to happen, and the chips will fall. So, as always, like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments and your questions down below. I'm Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist.